we got the Ryobi Caulk Gun. Here we're going to do an opening of it quick. Just going to tear it open. I got it today to do some caulking underneath the air conditioner. I just opened it. Inside you get the gun right here. You get the manual, of course. Who needs those, really, honestly? And I thought it did say it got a charger, but nope, not with this one because it's $39.99. I use the old style battery rather than the new. Okay, it does have a pin in there. There we go. Can I see it? So we'll stab that in there. Okay. And then, so here's the, here's the variable speed right here. Not very much on the top, whole bunch at the bottom. We'll put the battery in. Okay. Hopefully this battery isn't dead here. And we'll go in the middle. And there must be a unlock, which there is. Okay. I don't know if you guys can hear that. So I use this a little bit more, and I wanted to tell you something that was kind of neat that you might find interesting or make you want to buy it, honestly. This variable speed right here, let's see if I can get it to, oh yeah, see how it goes from high to low? That actually is a really awesome feature. When you're using a pump one and you're not so good at it, not saying that you are or not, but if you're not good at it or whatever, you kind of get blotches where it comes out real fast or it kind of does a wave. This is so steady in whichever you want. So I'm going to come up again, but I'll press this. And it's so steady, and then I'm going to switch it to fast. So that, I think, is an awesome feature. And again, Home Depot, $39.95, I believe. It's under $40. You don't get a battery or anything, so you have to get a battery. And I mean, if you have a battery, obviously you don't need one. This is an old battery that I got a long time ago, but I also have the new ones that Ryobi makes, which is the 4AH, and they're really good batteries, but I wanted to show you that you could use old batteries on it, just in case you had an old battery and you were wondering if it worked with it. It does, and it's a great, I think it's a great thing to buy. I mean, people use them all the time for home maintenance, so. Well, let's see here. My opinion is, it is pretty freaking awesome. And if I were you, I would go get one. Because it is cool. And for $39, you gotta go get one. Today. Ryobi at Home Depot. Go get one. 39 bucks. Caulking gun. Remember, this is 2 hearts in. You keep living.
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof.